There you can see what happens when we get house arrested in Sardinia. We still find ways how to celebrate life and not get stuck at home being bored or whatever. Since we can't gather for events anymore, we can't organize any events. And also our project has some parts that we have to adjust with these big changes happening. But anyway, we are using the time to deepen our project, to envision our ideas even more precisely, and want to give you some updates on what we're planning right now. We want to create tents for the land to receive guests for workshops and for retreats. We call them beehive dream pots, and they will be made out of 100% hemp fabric. They will be hanging from hemp ropes that are weaved between the trees. I made a dream tent once before. It was a little bit more complex, and now we want to try a new form and see if it will work. So if you want to support us to get the money together to buy fabric, buy all the necessities to make these tents, please donate now to our fundraiser, and this will help to make this first little step while we're here in quarantine in Sardinia. Thank you. See you.